In about 10 seconds, I'm going to share some words from Abraham Hicks. You're going to listen to Abraham Hicks tell you that you must control your focus. Listen to this.
But we want you to gain control, not of your emotions, of your focus, and therefore of your emotions. We want you to get so good at including what you want in your vibrational mix that there's hardly any airtime for what you don't want.
How powerful was that? If you want to manifest what you desire, Abraham Hicks tells us you must master your focus to activate the law of attraction. Check out this quote from chapter 16 in Abraham Hicks's book, Ask and It Is Given. The perspective of abundance and the lack of it is the environment in which focus is possible and activates the law of attraction. You are always activating the law of attraction. Is your perspective on abundance or is it on the lack of it? Because if it is on the lack of it, you are still manifesting. The law of attraction is still working. It is a law according to Abraham Hicks, which means that if you're focused on the lack of abundance, then you are bringing into your world a lack of abundance. You are creating it and you are manifesting it. What that means is you need to have the perspective of abundance. This is perspective. This is your outlook on life. It's not where you are now, it is your outlook. So you need to wake up every morning and have the perspective of abundance. Where can you find abundance in your life right now? If you don't have the money you want, maybe you have the love that you want in your life. Can you focus on family, on children, on whoever is in your life? Be grateful for them and feel an abundance of love. Can you feel abundance in many, many places that you already have it in your life and come at every single day with a perspective of abundance? Can you focus on abundance? Can you focus on gratitude? And then in your imagination, can you focus on what it is you want? Can you, in your imagination, create an environment of focus on what is possible, what is coming to you right now? Can you feel it, smell it, touch it almost in your imagination? And then on top of that, can you put the emotion that's going to go with it? Can you transfer that emotion that comes with a feeling of abundance of love? Could you transfer that emotion of a feeling of abundance of wealth, if that's what you're trying to manifest, and bring that into your imagination? Perspective of abundance is key. A lack of it is key, because either way the law of attraction is working and you will manifest one of those things. So it is your responsibility every single day to create an environment in which focus is possible on abundance, because then you will draw via the law of attraction, according to Abraham Hicks, abundance into your world. What is it you want to manifest? Can you imagine it so that it's almost as real as the real thing? Can you feel an abundance of a gratitude and take a perspective of abundance throughout your whole day for the things you see in your 3D reality? It may not be that you're driving the car you want, but can you feel gratitude and have a perspective of abundance for the car that you have, for the family that you have, for everything you have at the moment? And then open yourself up, activate the law of attraction by focusing on what you really want to bring into your life, and call it in without resistance by getting lost in those emotions, by leaving the journey of how it happens up to the universe, source, law of attraction, and focus on the end. Focus on the end, get lost in the feelings of what it would feel like to have that end, and try and focus on a perspective of abundance as much of the day as you can every single day. At first, if you can only do this for a couple of minutes a day, that's absolutely fine, because what you're actually doing is you're doing a better job than most, because most people are focused on negativity, and you need to stop that. You need to stop focusing on lack and negativity, focus on positivity and abundance. If you can just spend a couple of minutes a day, I promise you're doing better than most people. And then you want to stretch this out throughout the day. First thing in the morning, when you brush your teeth, associate all these little things you do every single day with an opportunity to focus from a perspective of abundance, focus on what you have now, be grateful for it, feel an abundance of love and joy in your life, and then switch to imagining what it is that you want and carry over that emotion of abundance. Know that it is on its way to you. This is what Abraham Hicks tells us to do in order to activate the law of attraction and bring into our life what we want. This is all part of being a deliberate creator, and the video on the screen right now will talk to you more about exactly how to be a deliberate creator. Click on that video, watch it now, take this to the next level.